Hey everyone, so this is my quiz review for quiz 2. I decided to do this question, just question 7 on my quiz from the University of Memphis Library's website. Search the databases for Nexus Uni and log into Nexus Uni. Run a search for cases in the state of Georgia, state cases only, that contain the exact phrase criminal conspiracy from within the last 5 years. From the list below, please select all the Georgia Supreme Court cases that appear in the results of your search. So when I first saw this question, I would have gotten it wrong because I actually selected all of them, because at first all of these cases showed up. But I came back and I reread the question again just to make sure. And of course, I spotted Supreme Court cases. So we want to make sure that we're finding state cases in Georgia that are Supreme Court cases, not Court of Appeals or Circuit Court or District Courts or anything like that, but Supreme Court cases. So clicked on, went to databases. I put in Nexus Uni. Clicked on Nexus Uni. It's taking a moment. I have a scheduled maintenance already. I signed in. So we know we want cases. She said we wanted state. She wanted state cases in Georgia within the last 5 years, and then our terms are criminal conspiracy. And we're going to search. Okay, so we have a list of cases here. The first case is Favors v. State. We have Favors v. State as one. The second one is Florno v. State. That is not on our list. The third is Jones v. State. So we have Jones v. State. The next one is Hicks v. State. We have Hicks v. State. Okay. And Pereira, I think that's how you pronounce it, v. State. It's also in the Supreme Court, but it's not one of our cases. Then we have Cotman v. State, as you notice, that also popped up. And there's also one of the answer choices, but again, it is not in the Supreme Court. It's in the Court of Appeals of Georgia, so that would not be the answer. Along with these three choices, there were also choices as well. They were all in the Court of Appeals of Georgia, Court of Appeals of Georgia. So those would not be the answer. Of course, like I said, when I first referenced this question, I was like, oh yeah, I see this case, I see this case, I see this case, I see this case. And I went back and read the question, and of course it says Supreme Court cases. And these are not Supreme Court cases. So in the end, you should have 3 cases: Jones v. State, Hicks v. State, and Favors v. State. Those are all Supreme Court cases. The rest of the cases are in the Court of Appeals of Georgia. Okay? All right, that's it.